Navigate to Hostinger using the link on screen or in the description below. You'll get an extra 10% discount on top of any deals by using our link. Click Claim Deal and choose whichever plan works best for you. You can register with Google or use an email and password. Enter your billing details and complete the payment. Once your payment goes through, Hostinger will walk us through setting up WordPress. When the onboarding survey appears, select who you're building this for, then click Next. Choose Create a Website, and when asked how you want to build it, select WordPress. Set your WordPress admin email and create a password. Then click Next. When prompted to choose a pre-built site, click Create Blank Site at the bottom of the screen. We'll let AI build everything for us in just a minute. Now it's time to claim your domain name. Search for whatever domain you want, and if it's available, select it and click Next. Follow the prompts to register your domain. Then choose the server location closest to your visitors. WordPress will now install automatically. This can take a few minutes. All right, WordPress is installed and we're in the admin panel.